What's up, y'all? So we got in a new work vehicle again, and this is Geronimo's G's. So here it is. I'm proud to present you a 2013 Isuzu NPR box truck. This thing is huge. I'm not even joking. Here, let me go on the sidewalk so you can see how huge it is. Look at that. That's huge, dude. It's crazy huge. So here's the keys for them. One's to the door, one's to the ignition. And it has a 6-liter Vortec by GM. It's a GM Vortec LS. And this thing has only, how many miles on it? No kidding, 10,000 miles on it. This is insane, dude. E-brake. I like that horn too. This one's old school. This one's got brakes, gas pedal, AC controls. Those are your service lights. Seems pretty cool, honestly. Lights. Hazard buttons. Oh, dude, this thing is really cool. Here's the box. I'll open it up for you. I can't do this one-handed. It smells like a box truck. It smells like the freaking yellow one. No way, dude. No S. Look at this. This thing's huge. This thing is like a freaking U-Haul truck. You can freaking put anything in here, like a TV, a sofa, anything. It's so clean back here too. It's so clean. It's crazy. And it doesn't come with a ramp. That's your license plate light. We'll close this. There we go. Here's the passenger side of the box truck. It's so clean too. It's got these nice bucket seats, middle seat, glove compartment, power windows, and also, guess what? This thing also has power locks. It's like an LT trim or something. Look at this. How cool is that? So yeah, that's the full tour, guys. Hope to see you guys soon in the next one. We out.